bright sunshine. C is for cricket. Tock, tock, cricket, cricket. Cricket, chirping songs in evening moonlight. D is for dragonfly. Da-da, dragonfly, dragonfly, zooming fast and shining bright. E is for earwig, 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 hiding where it's cool and dark. F is for firefly, 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 glowing like a little spark. G is for grasshopper, the grasshopper, grasshopper, leaping high from leaf to leaf. H is for honeybee, ha ha, honeybee, honeybee, making honey oh so sweet. I is for ichneumon, 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 long and thin with legs that glide. J is for June bug, yeah, June bug, flying clumsy wings spread wide. K is for katydid, cock, cock, katydid, singing softly through the night. L is for ladybug, la la ladybug, ladybug, red and black and full of light. M is for mosquito, mama, mosquito, mosquito, buzzing near and flying fast. N is for net-winged beetle, nana, net-winged beetle with bright wings from the past. O is for owlfly, ooh, ooh, owlfly, owlfly, eyes so big and wings so neat. P is for praying mantis, papa praying mantis, sitting still with folded feet. Q is for queen ant, quack, quack, queen ant, ruling deep beneath the ground. R is for rhinoceros beetle, rhinoceros beetle with a horn so strong and round. S is for stick bug, sasa stick bug, looking like a twig or tree. T is for termite, termite, building tunnels busily. F is for underwing moth, ooh, ooh, underwing moth, hiding colors under gray. V is for vinegaroon, vinegaroon, a scary bug, but that's okay. U is for wasp, wasp, buzzing round with yellow stripes. X is for xylocopid bee, xylocopid bee, azocopid bee, also called a carpenter bee. Y is for yellow jacket, yeah, yellow jacket, flying fast with buzzing sounds. Z for zebra butterfly, zaza zebra butterfly, with striped wings that flutter around.